Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the car key battery on a Toyota Rav4. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. Next, remove the mechanical key and pry open the fob seam gently without forcing it. Keep track of the internal components and note battery orientation. Replace the battery, reassemble the case, and test the remote functions before closing up so everything works smoothly. Begin by removing the mechanical key and laying parts in order. Use a small flathead to gently separate the two halves at the seam, working around the perimeter to free clips. Note the old battery orientation so you install the new CR2032 correctly with the plus side visible. Reassemble by aligning clips and pressing halves together firmly. Finally, test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm the replacement succeeded and the fob responds. If the remote fails after battery replacement, start by verifying the battery polarity and ensuring contact surfaces are clean. Corrosion or debris can prevent proper connection, so carefully clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Reseat the battery and retest the functions. If the fob still does not work, consider reprogramming steps specific to the Rav4 or seek a locksmith or dealer for diagnostics. Since electronic faults,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.